Transform your life with powerful chanting, yogasanas and Durga stories. Secret of origin of universe and connection with science and spirituality revealed.
Nalini is going to share with us a presentation. Go ahead, Nalini.
Hi everyone, I'm Nalini and I'm a professor of biology and yoga student and also yoga teacher. A little bit about yoga. Yoga is not just asanas. Yoga also has meditation and self-study. To begin with, on the occasion of Navratri, I would like to share my learnings about Shakti. From childhood, I'm a curious student who asks lots of questions and still asking questions. One day I asked Nitya where everything came from. And I bet you all know the answer, what he might have said. He said, everything came from nothing. And the answer was great. But then I wanted to know what is everything and what is nothing. In spirituality, they say that the best question to ask your teacher is how, not why and what, because why and what we can learn from, but then how is the best question because they have walked the path that you want to walk on and they can show you. So I wanted to learn a little bit more what is everything and what is nothing. And that is when I came across this from our Veda Shiva Purana, mainly about Shakti, that everything came from Shakti. Shakti is the cause of creation. Adi Shakti is the one who created Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, and also Saraswati, Lakshmi, and Gauri, right? And then I had another question. I wanted to see, being a scientist, being a biologist, I wanted to see what science actually says about creation and if there is any connection between Shakti and Shiva concepts that we believe in and we experience and science. And so I want you to visualize 14 billion years ago when there was absolutely nothing. It was completely dark, vacuum, no universe, and it was so cold that we can't describe in words because there was no heat. They say that 0 degree means there is some heat and higher than minus 20 degrees. That means there was not even a bit of heat. So you can imagine how cold it was. And there was absolute silence, quiet. And then this happened. So science calls this Big Bang, right? And that explosion, Vedas call it Shakti, Adi Shakti, from which everything got created, this entire universe. And Vedas also say that there was a loud roar that went on for a very long time, and it is called Rudra. And so that is how Shakti and Shiva together, it began the universe. Science also says something else, that when there is energy around vacuum, this energy gets converted to quarks, leptons, protons, neutrons, electrons, atoms, and atoms come together and they make molecules and they make bigger molecules. And that is how this earth, water, air, planets, stars, everything came into existence. So from nothing to everything. So that is how it all happened. And that is what Big Bang theory is saying, Big Bang hypothesis is saying. And our Vedas say that Shakti, which is that explosion, that energy, and vacuum together, which is our union of Shiva and Shakti, created life. So I saw the connect between these two, and that was really fascinating. And this is how the entire universe got created, all the atoms, and everything that we have today, air, plants, body, emotions, energy, everything is from that origin, Adi Shakti. So everything came from nothing. So that's the story of everything came from nothing. I wanted to know a little bit more what is the connection between this concept and spirituality. Well, the science is still proving it, that there was a point of time when there was nothing and the universe is completely expanding, ever expanding. And Hubble's law, Hubbles, Hubble's law provides numbers and math and evidence for that. But many times I get this question after I talk about this with my students and my yoga participants. And what's before this Big Bang? What existed before that Big Bang? And Vedas say that this is the 84th time the universe got created. That means 83 times universe was created and destroyed.
Is universe going to be destroyed? Yes. 84th time the universe will be destroyed as per Hindu scriptures. Do you want to know when? Comment when for reply.